To mount the KamiCare sensor on the ceiling, take your sensor mount and mark the holes where you would like to place the sensor. Next, drill the holes using a drill. The next step is to hammer in the anchors. Push them in by hand first, then lightly tap them using a hammer. Now we're going to attach the sensor mount to the ceiling with the screws. The last step is to mount the sensor onto the mount. To do so, make sure the power cord is attached to the sensor, then place the sensor on the mount and turn it clockwise 90 degrees. Place the cable cover that is cut at an angle behind the sensor to hide the USB cable. That's it, the KamiCare camera is mounted. Check out our cable cover installation video next to continue placing the cable covers.